Hi everyone, good and welcome once again. Yes, so one pastor went there for inside Nigeria don't fall out. So he don't let us he say he get prophecy for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So the prophecy is strong. Well, so anybody will just get opportunity to watch this particular prophecy, I beg make it share am, so that other people they go still know what they happen. He can't they let us they know say danger there for front and make una still remember. Say me myself I don't see dream, I don't let una know. On Sunday I go still repeat that particular dream 5 days from now from now. 4 or 5 days from now, we'll still repeat that. You understand? So this particular man, they let us they know say danger there, and they let us they know say one pastor for inside Alhambra being a prophet, and they tell us they let us they know say that prophet they work with government to say waiting the prophet they tell if find a job for say that one may be the truth though. So now in and now they can't let it find a job for know the reality of waiting they happen. And if they let us they know say one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer say you don't they work with Nigerian government so they don't bribe them. So make una for know as now take package on yourself. But the matter be say, I just want to ask, why una dey value money pass human being life? Some of una, why una dey value money pass human being life? Because human being dey important, your country dey important. If you collect that money today, what of your children when you born? They're gonna go eat that money to you. Your prejudice from you, your children, they go still grow, they will still come they experience the same sufferness. So make una know the less selfishness and greediness, they cause pain, they bring pain for inside our country. Because for African countries, so what it make them know they move forward now because of all this bribe of it. They go see truth, they no go still like talking. They go still see that truth. They no go still like make people see know what they happen. They go try to cover them all in the name of money. I beg I go leave now make una listen to this particular prophet. Waiting in the talk. Now as he just say talk and as me to a consider bring and come give una. Make una listen to this particular prophecy. I beg make una see they pray for the life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra entirely. Make una for still get for our country. Me I don't tell una make una vote as one. And now remember say one guy now for inside Plateau for Plateau State don't still come out. Come they let us they know say what they happen for them. They be small too. Plateau nowadays she they don't take many places for them. So my people, let me cause some more. Now the uru and for that country now cause some beg. Make una watch this particular prophecy. Make una like share and make una try share and make una like our video. Follow us on our Facebook page and also they subscribe to our YouTube channel, One Be Harmless TV. Thank you all and bye for now.
My name is Eagle Prophet of the Nations. Hear me. Prophecy is a gift. The Lord began to speak to me after when I speak to Barrister Joffo. Barrister Joffo now tell me, Eagle Prophet, that he don't know that the prophet is something of social media that he's doing. After when I finish speaking with the Barrister Joffo, I have to enter my prayer room to ask God what is happening, because I'm not happy in my spirit. Are they using Biafra to create money? Are they using Biafra to be duping people? Are they using Biafra to be a scammer? What is happening? And God began to speak to me. God said to me, Eagle Prophet of the Nations. I answer. He said that I should release this prophecy today, being 14th of August 2021. Number one prophecy is this: Biafrans all over the world, you people have failed. Hear me. I begin to pray on my prayer room. I ask God, why is it that if Biafrans are doing something, there must be a problem? God tell me the reason why. The reason why is this: number one prophecy is this. Number one prophecy is that God said to me during the time of a man called Larry, the one that the father of all the Biafra, the Igbo people worldwide as a whole. During the time of Egyptian, he did not have patience to finish well so that he will follow Israelites and go to the promised land, and he now left. That is the reason why if you have a foundational problem, if you did not break it, what happened to your father will happen to you. If you did not break it, what happened to your mother will happen to you. That man left from the land of Egypt. He did not finish well with the Egyptian people to go to the promised land. Today, that problem is still happening to today. Number two prophecy, God began to speak to me. And God said to me, Eagle Prophet, I answered. He said, Igbo people are the best and God agenda, assignments that God is carrying at hand, that nobody can intimidate them or terminate them on this planet, because it is made by God and original people. Hear me clear. There is no people on this planet that have a good heart more than Igbos. Igbo have a lovely heart. Igbo have a caring heart. And the Igbos love God and they can pray. Number 2, prophecy. The Lord began to speak to me. And God said to me, Igbo prophet, I answered. He said that there is a barrister that the zoo government have already bribed. The barrister is working with the John 1010 in Germany. You know that woman in Germany, her name is John 1010. John 1010A. That's the name of that woman in Germany, and the secretary is called John 1010A. The zoo government, the Nigerian government have bribed the barrister. Not Barrister Joffo, not Barrister Joffo. I say one of the barrister. I don't want to mention his name. It's now he's working with the John 1010A and with Uchemefo and with Asare Dikobo and with the governor of Ebonyi State and with the governor of Imo State and with Uwazurike. All of them are working together. I am suing one of the barrister is chocolate, or can I say is black, but black is not a good name to dress someone with. It's a chocolate in color. I don't want to mention his name. I did not say it's a Joffo, it's not Barrister Joffo. But use your sense to know the person that I'm talking about. Number 3, prophecy. Even I called the Joffo, I told the Joffo that I say that government is looking for the way to brand you. And because they cannot be able to brand you, that's the reason why they're looking for the way to kill you. So you should be careful. I told him and I prayed for him. And he said to me, no problem. That God is able in everything. Hear this prophecy and share to others. Now, the prophecy that I'm here today to give is that they are delaying the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. The reason why he's still in the hand of DSS custody is because Anambra election is coming up. And they want to hold him so that they will do the election. Now, they look for how they can get the mind of youth. The way they can get the mind of youth, they now use a prophet in Onitsha. I don't want to mention the prophet name, but you know who I'm talking about. They now use a prophet in Onitsha, Anambra State, so that the prophet will say that the leader of Biafra is coming up, is coming out in December. That is a lie. That is not true. That prophecy is fake. If that prophet is a prophet, why did he give a prophecy that COVID-19 will end on May? He did not. Why did he not give a prophecy before they arrest the leader of indigenous people of Biafra? If that prophet is a prophet really. Hear this prophecy that I'm releasing now and share to others. God began to speak to me, and God said to me, the eagle prophet of the nations, I answer. And God said to me that number 3 prophecy is that the Anambra political leaders have go to that prophet in Onitsha. They use him to make the mind of Biafra and youth to calm down. God is speaking, and hear this. Hear me clear. Do you know that the same prophet in Onitsha, he will go to governors, he will pray with governors, he will pray with senators, he will go to their houses, he will be showing video. He's a comedian prophet, he's not a prophet. And he will not prophesy to that election in 2023. He's now praying for them for election in 2023. Who did this to Igbos? Why is Igbos always too being deceived? Who did this to Igbos? Why is it that if Igbo people start something, they does not finish it well, they must say their brother or their sister? Who did this to Igbos? Number 4 prophecy. God began to speak to me, and God said there is danger. Hear me clear. Not up to about some hours now, my pastor showed me again what is happening on Medium, and he said to me, Papa, I should take a look that they say that people that is doing sit at home should stop because of exam. What is exam? What do you know called exam in Nigeria? What is NECO? What is WAEC? Those that go to school, did they have a job? How many millions of Igbos did we have in abroad? Our young girls are now into prostitute. Our young men are into Yahoo, pressing computer, duping people because of there is no job. And you are now telling us that people should sit at home. For what? Are you writing an exam to have a Biafra? Are you using the exam of Nigeria to have a Biafra? Biafra, be wise. Biafra, be wise. Who did this to you people? All of you in Germany is scammers. They have bribed Germany. Biafra all over the world. There is no IPOB in Germany. There is no IPOB in South Africa. All of them is scam. The people in Germany have bribed South Africa. They don't have Biafra in Germany. They don't have Biafra in Nigeria. They don't have Biafra in South Africa. I am telling you people the truth. It is only USA that they have Biafra. I'm telling you, I'm a prophet. Believe it and take it. Hear this prophecy I am releasing today, because God is angry for what people are doing. As many of you that is selling yourself, bribing each other, making sure that you people plan evil against the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Lord said, as many of you that is planning evil, you will have kidney failure and die. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, hear me clear. Today's date is 14th of August 2021. Everybody should share this prophecy. God begin to speak to me and God show me what is going to happen. Now, why is it that if Biafrans say that they will do something, there must be a misunderstanding? That is to show you that there is a big problem among them. I want to tell you something. God is speaking to me right now in my right ear. God said that Biafra all over the world, if you people stop this sit at home every Monday, I am not seeing the leader of indigenous people of Biafra coming out. I repeat, if you people stop this sit at home without no continue it, I am not seeing the leader of indigenous people of Biafra coming out. If you like, take it. If you don't like, leave it. The government will make sure that they subdue you, they calm you down. Look at you people, you think you're wise, and now it is the hour to prove you're wise, and you people are there talking nonsense. The Lord begin to speak to me. Everybody should pay attention. Sit at home, continue. Sit at home, continue. Let the leader come out. We don't need exam in Biafra land. Simple and short. We don't need government worker. We are tired of the stupid money that are owing even teachers. They are not paying teacher people salary. How much is your salary? How much? In Nigeria, there is no good hospital. In Nigeria, there is no good road. In Nigeria, there is no good school. And you are there praying that you will not go for sit at home. I am seeing a big fight now in Nigeria that is going to happen between this day to December 16. I gave this prophecy before. I'm repeating it. Watch and see what is about to happen. Pray for this state I want to tell you. Pray for Ebonyi State. I'm seeing big massacre, killing in Ebonyi State. Pray for Imo State. I'm seeing big massacre and killing in Imo State. Pray for Abia State. And pray for a state called Enugu State. I'm seeing war. I'm seeing fight. Pray for Anambra. The Lord said there shall be no election in Anambra State. Everybody, if you try to go and vote, after voting they will still kill you. What are you voting for? Why not stay and pray for God's mercy? That is what God said. I should tell Biafrans all over the world. Hear me. Whoever that is saying that sit at home should not continue. You people have been deceiving yourself and say that leader said this, leader said that. You are there talking about read the psalm that leader give. Who gives the instruction of the psalm? I am the one that told the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that God said that everybody should read the book of Psalms. Hear me wherever you are watching me from. The mercy of God will speak on the life of the leader, Obadike Nwachineke, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.